Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Daisy backpack on the market, the Xunteny Daisy Women Laptop Backpack. If you're looking for a backpack that combines style, functionality, and durability, this could be the perfect choice for you. First, let's talk about the design. The Xunteny Daisy Backpack stands out with its vibrant and playful daisy pattern, making it not only a practical accessory but also a fashion statement. It's designed specifically for women and fits well in settings like college, work, business travel, and everyday use. Its size accommodates laptops up to 15.6 inches, which makes it suitable for most standard laptops on the market today. Measuring approximately 16.9 by 12.2 by 6.3 inches, this backpack offers a spacious main compartment. What makes it truly special is the wide-open rectangular frame, supported by reinforced edges and a steel frame that keeps the bag's shape intact. This means when you open it, you get a clear view of your belongings, making it easier to pack and find your items quickly. Inside, there are separate compartments designed to organize your laptop, books, documents, and other essentials efficiently. Durability is an essential factor for any backpack, and the Xunteny Daisy does not disappoint. It is made from waterproof and durable polyester fabric that feels soft to the touch but is tough enough to protect your belongings from rain and everyday wear and tear. This material ensures that your valuables remain safe even during unexpected weather changes. For those who travel frequently or carry a lot, the backpack's multifunctional nature is a huge plus. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a nurse, or a business professional, this backpack is versatile enough to meet your needs. The design includes multiple pockets, including side pockets large enough to hold big tumblers or water bottles, making hydration on the go convenient. Comfort is key with backpacks, and this model delivers with padded shoulder straps that help distribute weight evenly. Even when fully loaded, it's designed to be comfortable to carry for extended periods. Plus, the backpack weighs just about 1.5 pounds, so it won't add unnecessary bulk or weight to your load. The backpack is also a great gift option for women and girls aged 8 and up. Whether it's for back to school, work, business travel, or even holidays like Christmas, it fits a wide range of occasions and lifestyles. In terms of capacity, the bag offers around 21 liters of space. That's enough room for your laptop, books, notebooks, chargers, accessories, and personal items. The well-thought-out organization means you won't have to dig around to find what you need. While this backpack shines in functionality and design, it also holds its shape impressively thanks to the reinforced steel frame around the main compartment. This feature prevents sagging or collapsing when it's packed, giving it a professional and tidy look even when you're on the move. In summary, the Xunteny Daisy Women Laptop Backpack offers a combination of style, utility, and durability that few can match. From its spacious compartments and smart organization to its waterproof fabric and comfortable carrying design, it's tailored for women who want a reliable, versatile backpack that stands out. If you want a backpack that suits your daily commute, college days, or travel adventures, this Daisy backpack from Xunteny is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.